This is my flow diagram. I begin building the first O by importing the given MS Excel file containing 290 recipes for cuisines from 3 regions: Indian, Italian and Thai. Next, at the metadata node, I made Indian as my target variable and set it to binary. I chose ingredients and reject preparation method. Next, at the text parsing node, data is parsed by ignoring all parts of speech except noun, because ingredient is a noun. At the text filter node, we only focus on weighting properties. The first clustering was performed using mutual information. Next, for the text topic, the number of topics was set as 3, as there are 3 cuisines. Text cluster node was the last node for the text mining process, and we run it. We look at the ZIPF plot. This is a scatterplot for the number of document for each term where it is sorted and plot by rank. The most popular was cup. A cup is a common cooking measurement in the USA. It appears in 78 recipes. Next, the terms window shows us the terms and frequencies. Garlic and onion were among the most popular ingredients. Now, let us look at the text cluster results. We obtained 6 well-defined clusters. To see the labels of my 6 clusters, please refer to my report. To see if we can improve the results, we used entropy as a weighting method for terms. With this change, we obtained 12 clusters. Cluster 1 is empty. The other clusters were not so clearly divided into topics and did not allow us to identify the main themes of each cluster. Since the second clustering did not bring a better result, we changed the weight of the terms to inverse document frequency (IDF) function. I think we did not fare better with IDF, we got even more clusters, 13 clusters. Now we come to a more advanced analysis of our database of recipes. Can we correctly identify the belonging of a recipe to an Indian cuisine by looking at the ingredients? The database of recipes was divided into training and validation sets in the following proportions: 70% and 30% respectively. For this purpose, three types of models, decision tree, neural network, and memory-based reasoning, MBR, were chosen for model comparison. Here is the result of the model comparison. The first column of the fit statistics table entitled Selected Model indicates best fit model, Y equals yes, selected automatically by SAS E minor. The best model is MBR with the lowest misclassification rate as the selection criteria. Recipes linkage may be interesting for us to discover associations among terms within a collection of recipes. To illustrate this method, we performed concept linking analysis for the words from the database, and we chose the most common terms occurring in the recipes database, example fish. Based on the concept linking chart for the term fish, we can conclude that fish are eaten in Thai. It is often cooked with corn, crab and sauce.
मज़ारे क़ैस पे जब रूह है लैला एक दिन